Hi everyone, today I'm going to read you a book called Madeline and Her Dog. This page. In an old house in Paris that is covered with vines, live 12 little girls in 2 straight lines. The smallest one is Madeline. The girls get dressed by 9:30, but Madeline will never leave without her puppy, Genevieve. So it's rhyming. Genevieve sniffs along the streets on the hunt for tasty treats. A garbage can is the perfect place for Genevieve to stuff her face. Genevieve gets her dearest wish. From the river, she pulls a fish. P.U., say the people all around. That is one dirty, stinky hound. Miss Clavel says, we must go right away and wash this dog without delay. Genevieve thinks something is not right. The pooch puts up a mighty fight, but she is outnumbered. That's basic math. The girls lift her, splash, right into the bath. They wash their pup from tail to snout. As hard as she tries, she can't get out. With a rub-a-dub-dub comes the final rinse and scrub. She gives a wiggle and a great big shake. Miss Clavel says, for heaven's sake. The girls pat her dry. The bath is done. Madeline says, now wasn't that fun? Genevieve races for the door. The girls forgot to close it before. In the garden, she digs a hole. What a perfect spot to roll. Madeline says, Genevieve, no, come out right now. But the dog won't go. At last, Madeline wins the fight, but she and her dog are quite a sight. Now there's a tub for 2. All we need in the bath is you. The end. Read on.